Now we know the filtering with the where clause, but let's look at something more complex as we continue working on manage authors get action. Next thing I want here is a list of integer, and I want all of the authors that have been assigned to the current book. So we'll call this temp list of assigned authors is equal to, we'll say obj dot, we have the book author list, and in here we can just use the select statement and we'll project an integer. So we'll use the projection and we'll retrieve the author ID, convert that to a list and add it to a list of integers. Now I want all of those authors that are not included in this list that we have. So we need a not operation like not in clause in link. How do we accomplish that? So for that we will add a variable temp list is equal to underscore db dot. We'll go with the authors and we will add a where condition here. We'll say u goes to, and then we will add not here, and we'll have our list which is temp list of assigned authors dot. We have the contains method in there and we'll pass the author ID. What we retrieve here, we'll convert that to a list. So basically here we are adding a not in clause and we are saying get all the authors whose ID is not in, and this is the list. So LINQ, as you can see, is very powerful and you can do lots of things with single or couple of lines of code. Now once we have that list, we can always do projection and populate our dropdown. So we'll say obj.authorList, that's our dropdown. We'll say templist.select and we can do the projections. I go to new select list item, and in here we'll say text is equal to I.fullname, comma, we'll say value is equal to I.authorID dot toString. So we're populated the dropdown, and this dropdown will only have the authors that are not assigned already to this book. That being said, let's return back to the view and pass the object. Now again, we need to add the view. So let's go to the top, add view, razor view. Let's add this and let's continue working on this in the next video.